discuss, and with the financial aid you can solve that problem, which is very prevalent, which is much needed, which is the requirement of the time, which is contemporary. And now you know that that if the finances and budgeting and other things are given to you, you can solve the problems. So how do you identify? You have taken some primary sources of survey, some secondary sources of survey. Now you have collected the data. Now you have things like you have conducted a thorough research, you have asked from your participant samples, and now you are going to present to the audience, which is concerned or authoritative audience. So you want to show them. Obviously the audience is not very much inclined, what have you done in papers? They want a summary form. So in summary you will present some visuals, and visuals might be in the form of data, in the form of graphs, in the form of charts, in the form of transparencies, in the forms of tables. So I would suggest here for your presentation, please go to graph and some charts and some tables, and you can add some small videos, or if you have collected data from primary people, from primary survey. For instance, if you have taken some questions and surveys from your students, that how, to what extent they need an internal commute, so you can show their videos. So you can just write their graph in this form. For instance, this is graph. Can you see that? This is graph, like graph ke form mein hum isko you can present, and then you can present in the form of pie graph. And I know that many of my students have already done in PAW, because Google form display these type of details. There is not much efforts needed, because everything is made by Google, and Excel sheets also provide you pie graph and datas and linear scales, all the things. So now you are going to present these numbers. Can you see that? If you ask me, I will just share the screenshot by your CR. So you can see here that this is charts, this is numerical presentation, and these are the colors. So you will present in this form, that this is your observation, this is your finding, and these are the findings, these are the survey, and now these findings are determined to a way that you need specific amount of money. This is all about business presentation, nothing else. You have to understand three main important things. You can say this business presentation is about three C's also, but I would make it clear, because I know that this is very, this is new for you, so sometimes it takes time to understand, but don't worry, you will learn gradually. So first of all, audience centered language. Like you have to notice that who are sitting over there, who are sitting in front of you. Are they English literate people, like they are fond of literature, so that you can just allocate some poetry to them? But if they are scientific, how do they know your heavy words? How do they know prima facie, metaphoric language? How do they know? If you are saying that you are like a lion, they might means misinterpret it. So first thing is language, second thing is your content. Your content must be like water. Like everybody should know what are going to be presented, what are the points, what are the problems, solutions, estimation, financial trajectory, future impact, and then visualization. This is all about it. I hope you understand my video. We will discuss in the class as well. Please watch this video before coming to my class. There is no other option. I will be very strict with you people. Okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.